up on a Sunday morning, tired eyes to greet the day. A rucksack full of expectations up on dreary Langdon Way. A train awaiting on the platform, the diesel humming high. A one-way ticket stamped for freedom, time for just one last goodbye.
Tooraloo-lay, I'm on my way, making New York City, San Francisco, Botany Bay. I've been praying, I've been waiting, mister, for this fateful day. Tooraloo-lay.
Took passage on the early water, waved the mainland sweet goodbye, lit a cigarette above on top deck, watched the seagulls soar the sky.
I woke up to the sound of laughter and strangers passing by. Stepped up on the land of dreams and had myself a smile.
Tooraloo-lay, I'm on my way, making New York City, San Francisco, Botany Bay. I've been praying, I've been waiting, mister, for this fateful day. Tooraloo-lay. Met a sham from Blarney, ginger red, on a New York City street. He was asking if I'd seen the hurling and how the hell we'd meet at a bar in Queens. He knew a man that came from my hometown.
Then he borrowed $20 till his payday came along.
Tooraloo-lay, I'm on my way, making New York City, San Francisco, Botany Bay. I've been praying, I've been waiting, mister, for this fateful day. Tooraloo-lay. Got some work by Sydney Harbour with a firm from Antrim Town.
We were digging up the paving stone, laying concrete piping down. Found a place upon the hill for pints where they said you'd have to crack.
They were singing Tooraloo-lay, saying we're never going back.
Tooraloo-lay.